Too fun.
De vrouw wordt
So just simply moved the tears, then it became a hotel. It was from the overall time. Through the sphinx.
The skin part.
Each single one between 2.5 to 2 tons. Area base of about 13 acres. Engineering left 86 tons.
Nope. No.
Cheap today.
No. Look at the pyramid. Oh, and I for my work.
No, I'm not better. No, it's good, thank you. Thank you. They're calling me.
Een like groot. Van onderin van hier. Oké, die is groot, die is raar.
Ja.
Kan men zien.
It's claustrophobic. Ik wil mijn ma hê.
Maar jou ma wil jou nie nie.
Here's a Kodak moment for a window.
Swear me. Ja, oké. No, thanks. Hulle ry nog kameel.
All of the tours, but in a state, it's like more relaxing. You can shower and then you can continue.
Excuse me. I create.
Oké, die verlenging.
Like this. Alabaster beautiful flooring. A valley temple is, as I mentioned, where they make the mummification. Standing pillars and the whole of the history of Egypt. Part of it is still in around the location. Other part it was at the library of the old Egyptian museum.
Oh, just get it out.
Right over the pyramids. Suez Canal, Opera.
Ancient time Rota now on the Nile River, from the very south of the country to the very north. Why that? That's because of the sugar and water inside it. Very weak. Hammer the slices to break the fibers like this. Press it, squeeze the sugar and get rid of the water. He was writing something, putting something in it. But what you need to do is just wash it, to get rid of the ink. Wash it in the water. Even if you do something like this, you see. All what you need, just leave it in the sun, for 10-15 minutes to dry it, use it again. And when it's wet like that, if you touch it and feel it, you feel it, it's sticky. That causes the sugar. It's a tree, what we call the tree of...
To the 11th century AD. To the poverty, we have a lot of houses that they look unfinished.